Taj Tyres. I've got a Ford Fiesta here on a 2015 plate. Just doing a rear taillight bulb. Now I've taken the two little screws out, which is held by Torx T20. Right there, as you can see, it's T20. I've removed them already, but this is still not coming out. So I've realised we've got a screw right at the back of the panel, which is in here. So what I need to do now is, if I push this out a little bit, so I can't take it out all the way. So what I'll do, I'll push it out, and then on the inside, if I follow it, and you've got a cable, which is for this, a plug socket for this, just over the plug socket, there's a screw, a plastic screw type. So what I do, undo the screw, like I'm doing now. I'm undoing it at the moment, as we speak. I don't want to really drop it, so make sure I hold it in time when I've taken it out all the way. Once I've taken it out, we're getting it done. It's a pretty long one. Yep, just get in there. Just get in there, just get in there. Right, now that I've got it out, I kind of squeeze my hand out of there now. As you can see, this was the one that was holding it in place. So I now just pull the whole thing out. Now on the left side here, if you look on the inside, there's two little grommets which goes right in there. So that sits in place. All you then do is squeeze your hand through, put the screw back on. Now I unplug this. There's a plug right there. So if I unplug it, once I've unplugged it, now we're doing the brake light bulb, which is this one here. So you've got that bulb right there we need to undo. So if I undo it, so this is a double filament one. As you can see, I'm going to go and grab the bulb for a second. I'm back with the bulb. It's a 382 bulb. Right there, 382. That's what you need. So put the lens out. So I'll put the bulb back in place. Right there, there's only one way the bulb would go. If I were to put it like this, it won't go in. So you've got the two little pins coming out, one's slightly lower than the other. So push it in, twist it, put it back together, and that's it, job done. I then plug this back in. I'll put it in place. All I'm going to do is first check the bulb, see if it's working. Ignition on, press the brakes, and you can see they're both working. That's all you need to do. And now I have to put this on. Same thing again, make sure you hold it tight so you don't drop it. Squeeze your hand through the little gap, and then just over the plug you'll feel the stud bit that's coming out. You slot the screw in, and then you just make sure it's a little slightly tighter, and that's it, job done. And then I'll put these back together. That's all it is. That's all you got to do on your car. If you've got a Ford Fiesta and you don't know how to remove this rear tail light, you got to remember there's a screw on the back here, which you remove this slightly and then get to it and undo it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video as well. Thank you, goodbye.